A few days ago, a fan sent me a private message. He said he really enjoys watching my videos and mentioned that he's an intern born in 2003. He hoped I could talk about how to measure the values of those chip capacitors, inductors, and resistors that don't have markings on them. I told him that for these, you need to use a tool called an LCR meter. He said that since he's still an intern, he usually lives frugally and doesn't have much of a budget. He asked if there were any good, cost-effective options for just a few $100. I spent 2 nights looking for one for him. I finally found one with a 100% positive rating. Then I contacted the owner of the manufacturer and asked him whether this LCR meter was actually any good. He said, "I'll send it to you for free to test. If it's not good, just throw it in the trash." I received it this afternoon. Let's test it out to see if it's actually any good. The maximum frequency is 100 kHz. According to the manual, use the alligator clips and probes to measure. This capacitor is labeled as 50 volts, 220 microfarads. Switch to the capacitance mode and set the frequency to 100. For this type of capacitor, an error within 20% is considered acceptable. Now, the measurement shows 213 microfarads. Next, let's test this 6.8 microhenry inductor. Switch to the inductance mode and set it to 6.8. Absolutely correct. This is a 1% 0805 EKOS-MD resistor. Let's take one off. Switch to resistance measurement mode and test it to see the result. 0.9973 kilo ohms. This is a 47 nanofarad SMD capacitor with a 10% tolerance. Let's take it off. Switch to the capacitance mode. The frequency is 100 kHz and the rating is 44.7, so the error is also within 10%, which is quite accurate. Let's also test this 15 nanofarad SMD capacitor with a 10% tolerance. 14.3. After our testing, this meter is indeed very good. I've talked to the manufacturer and we can offer a special deal for everyone, less than 300 yuan. Hurry and click the bottom left corner of the video.